It's the last date of January 2024. The police came and they raided the Toyota Motor Corporation headquarters, and they took away the records and they took away the data from the computers because the government of Japan was very concerned about Toyota Motor Company falsifying their records and data. I'm Dr. Khurram Shaukat Yousafzai. Today's video is about this sensational story. The Toyota Motor Company was found to falsify the data. There was an employee of Toyota Motor Company working in the Daihatsu division. He went to the government of Japan and he told them that the Toyota Motor Company is cheating and falsifying the safety records for certain models of cars and also the emissions. So the government listened and it investigated. Then in January 2024, they raided the Toyota Motor headquarters and they stopped the production of Toyota Race. This is a very popular car. It's available in Pakistan in hybrid version. It's also called Daihatsu Rocky because it is made on the Daihatsu platform. So it stopped the production of this car, and there is another car which is also made on the Daihatsu TNGA platform. It is called Toyota Yaris Ative, which is made in Thailand, Pakistan, also in Mexico and some other countries. That was also found to actually cheat on the safety data, especially on the side impact bars on the left and the right side. So this will impact the sales of Toyota. Because of this, the reputation of Toyota is tarnished. And this Daihatsu factory is the place where this employee was working, and he noticed the falsification of data. Because Toyota Motor Company is the highest selling car company in the world, and Daihatsu and Hino is its subsidiary. Hino makes the trucks, Daihatsu makes the small cars. So in this small car division, as I told you, Toyota Race, Toyota Yaris, Ative. Also, there is a key car known as Daihatsu Mira. Also, there is a van called Toyota Daihatsu or Toyota Hijet that is also made there. So after the scandal of the whistleblower, the investigation was ongoing, and the government checked the data of other companies, and Honda and Mazda was also found to be involved. So it's not just Toyota, but Honda and Mazda, they have failed to apologize yet. But the Toyota chief apologized. He bowed in front of the people, in front of the journalists, and it was live streamed all over the world. He said he is really sorry because these cars are also sold in Japan and globally. So they accepted their falsification of data. They apologized and they said that they will make it better. So because of this, the Daihatsu and the Hino Motors, which makes the trucks, their products will be scrutinized in great detail, and so would be the products of Toyota. Even the Corolla is not safe. The Corolla is also found to be having this falsified data. And these warnings have gone out to Middle East, to Americas, to a lot of places. This is the Toyota CEO, Koji Sato. Recently, he took over and he promised that he will take care of the things and make it better. But it's not good news for Toyota Motors headquartered in Japan. And this will impact the sales of Toyota. Although Toyota is a very reputable, reliable company, but this scandal is surprising for many people, and especially Japan, where there is no culture of such hanky-panky and falsification of data. This is really surprising. Why? It shows that the Toyota company is facing the heat from the Chinese car manufacturers and also from the Korean. So they were forced to falsify this data, the safety data, and also the emission data. Before, the Takata company, which makes the airbags, it was found to be faulty because the Takata airbags don't open. And when they open, they injure the person because there is a sharp metallic object inside that have caused injuries to people. These Takata airbags are found in almost all the Toyota, Daihatsu, and Hino brands. Sometimes they don't open. And the reconditioned cars which are coming to Pakistan, they have these airbags and they fail to function, but people are buying these second-hand cars not realizing the airbags are faulty. Even the new cars have faulty airbags. In the new models which I just mentioned, they're faulty. So people should be really careful when buying these old cars because they are death traps. Toyota Corolla Fielder. This is a very popular car in Pakistan because available in hybrid as well, and it is considered like a cool car. But to our surprise, this was also included in the stoppage of production because it has these safety issues of the side impact, also the airbag issues. So Toyota Corolla Fielder is affected. Apart from the Toyota Corolla Fielder, there is Toyota Corolla Exio. Toyota Corolla Exio is a very popular model in Pakistan, especially in the second-hand models, and it is sold at a high price. Although it's second-hand, it is also found to have safety issues on the side doors, and also the airbag issues are also present in this car as well. And Toyota Motor has to fix it, and the warning has gone out in Americas. Toyota Yaris, made by the Indus Motor Corporation, is also affected because it's made on the Daihatsu TNGA platform. And recently, its price was jacked up after they just changed the bumper. So this car also has safety issues, and the falsification data has affected this model, and its production has been stopped in Japan. Toyota Mira is a small key car, A segment car, and it's with a 660 engine. It's unsafe to drive because of the falsified data, and it's made in the Toyota Daihatsu plant. Before in Pakistan, it used to come as Kore. Toyota Hijet, a Daihatsu Hijet or Toyota Hijet. This is actually a van, and it's unsafe to drive because of the falsified data. In order to pass the safety test, it won't actually pass the safety test if proper tests are done. So I hope you understand the gravity of situation, and this apology was live streamed and told all over the world, and they accepted the cheating. But as I told you, Mazda and Hino and Daihatsu, as well as Honda and Mazda was also involved. But Mazda and Honda, they did not apologize like the CEO of Toyota. They should have also apologized. But warnings were issued about Corolla, Hilux, and Land Cruiser in US because of the Takata airbags and the safety issues. So I hope you like my video. Please like my video because I have produced informative videos for you. And after liking the video, you have to subscribe my channel to get these videos in your feed. Otherwise, you won't. So I hope you do that. So thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye.